Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix OBS Black Screen and also when capture is not working or display capture is not working. So the first thing you can try is to go into your settings, go on your Windows icon, go on settings. Once this opens, go on system, go on display, scroll down to graphics, and here we'll need to add OBS, right? Just say add desktop app. Then you have to locate where you installed OBS. See program files, OBS, go under bin, 64-bit, and add. Then let's search for it, OBS. Here on high performance. After you select on high performance, then try to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then maybe it's your game capture settings. So the settings, you can try to fix them. Just open your OBS. Right here, right click, add source, and you can click on display capture. Then you can select which screen you want to display. Or you can just add source and then go on game capture and add. And under here, you can select which screen you want to select from it. And that's it, and you're done.